So the brand that we will be using in this video is this Bigen powder hair color in the shades of black. So when we open it, this is the packaging. So, the next thing is, i-brush muna natin yung eyebrows natin para mas maging maayos yung strand ng hair bago natin kulayan. So, guys, makikita nyo naman na ang nipis talaga ng hair ng eyebrows ko. And I think itong brand na to, super pigmented ata siya. So, makikita natin yung result mamaya. So, after that, naglagay lang ako ng small amount of water na kailangan natin. And then, small amount of Bigen powder. And then, saka na natin imimix until it turn dark brown or black. So, it seems na medyo matagal siya mag-change ng color. Kaya, i-mix pa natin. Set aside muna natin while waiting. So, next is, gagamit tayo ng concealer. Any concealer will do. Para i-conceal lang natin yung outer part ng kilay natin. I-shape natin siya para hindi lalagpas yung kulay na ilalagay natin sa hair, eyebrow hair. Ayan guys, I think this is okay na. So, balikan na natin yung hair color. So, it turned brown, not totally black. So, okay na guys. I-fill na natin yung eyebrows natin ng pangkulay. So, tapos na yung isang eyebrow. Sa kabilang eyebrow naman tayo. Fill in naman natin yung isang eyebrow. So, kung magkamali man tayo guys, pwede naman nating balikan at ayusin. So, dito na part, medyo nasobrahan ko yung paglagay. So, check natin later. So, set na natin yung time for 20 minutes. So, let's check if okay na siya. 10 minutes na. Hindi ko na aantayin yung 20 minutes. Kasi feeling ko nagkulay na siya. So, pwede cotton pads, makeup remover, pero water muna. So, ayan. Compare dun kanina before malagyan ng color. Super nipis na eyebrow ko. And so, better na lang mag-eyebrow tattoo. So, you can always on the go. So, kilay is ready. So, this is my kilay for now. Medyo kumapal na. So, so guys, yung iba lumagpas lang sa may eyebrow line pero matatanggal din yan later. Nagustuhan niyo yung video and sana nakatulong din sa inyo. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down, and subscribe to my channel for you to be notified for the next video.